Here we got this Abus Diskus Padlock. I'm going to be picking it with this StormLockPicks 4E. It's a hook pick. It's a real sloping hook. I'm going to use this smallish tension wrench. It's 2.75 millimeter. It's not our smallest, but it's still small. It's because we got a pretty small keyway on this lock. This good sloping hook helps me get in behind high pins or low pins to raise higher ones. Abus is real good quality. It's got a lot of security pins in it, so I'll likely get a false set pretty quick, which isn't necessarily bad. I can use the false set to work my way to an open lock. Abus has really good tolerances too. They're pretty tough. A lot of fun. That worked. I just gave it a good rake and it opened. I was getting close, but I couldn't find anything that wasn't binding properly, so I just gave it a good rake. Anyway, there she is, open. That's the 4E StormLockPicks hook.